How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another Trucker Tim trucking vlog. Woohoo! Anybody notice anything different? In the version 4 today. I'll show you around quickly. Woohoo! Look at that. Hopefully soon I'll get upgraded to one of these trucks. But yeah, today I'm out in this. We're going to London. Well, not the centre of London, but Enfield. So we can crack on with that. So the bloke who usually drives this lorry is off today, and my lorry's not allowed into London, and we've got a job in London. So I'm going to take this lorry. Do you like my hat? Truckstyle. And my hoodie from Truckstyle. I've got an air freshener as well. I'm going to put it in my lorry. But yeah, go check Truckstyle out. I'll put all their information in the description below. You go and check them out. They've got some awesome stuff. So yeah, we're in this lorry today. We're going to London. I've just done my papier work. I might just pull out on the road quickly and show you the truck, what we're in today, and then we'll crack on into London. Let's go! Right, let's get out on the road and I'll show you around this truck quickly. Let's just top out then real quick. Boiled. There she is. Version 4. What on earth's that noise? Lord knows. Anyway, let's show you the truck. I've done my vehicle checks while I was parked up before I started filming. So let's get to Enfield. Let's go! Actually, yeah, we've got enough diesel. We've got enough AdBlue, full of AdBlue. We've got between half and 3/4 of diesel, so that should do us. Right, let's go. Cracked on down the M11, smashed it, just coming off. Now onto the M25, anti-clockwise. Been going about an hour and 20 minutes now. Right, that car was in the wrong lane. That shot across there. Still not sure. Bloody hell. More runs. So yeah, we should be there in about 20 minutes or so. Not far off now. Whew, look at this sweepy bend. Quite, it's been a long while since I've been down here. Quite, that's nice. That does sweep round nice. Get on the M25. That's sharp. That's sharp. That's sharp. Go, 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 go. We're on the A10 now, heading into London. We ain't got to go far down here because basically we're in Enfield already. Yeah, we've got left here. Didn't get stopped. I didn't have to stop at any red lights. Not one. They were all green all the way down there. That don't happen very often either. So where we want to be is just here on the right hand side. There we go, we've arrived. I'm at the gate, there's no one here yet, so just gotta wait for him to turn up and let me in. In the meantime, I might have a lay on there. Have a little nap, because I'm a little bit sleepy.
We're in. Just going to get loaded up now. Obviously this load is confidential, so I can't show you loading this, but I'll speak to you once I'm loaded.
Hey, we're loaded. Get me truck style hat off. Peel that off my head. That can go up there. High vis off, and I'll get my hoodie off as well, I think. Yeah, so it was all loaded. It took 45 minutes to load up. Not too bad, really, considering sometimes it takes a lot longer than that. So it's now 10 to 8. Level out the suspenders. There we go, armrest in position. Right, let's switch up the road. Let's get this back to the yard. Let's go. So I'm going out of London a different way because the way we came in on the A10 is knackered. So I'm coming out this way. Never been out this way before, so we'll have to see what lies ahead. Hopefully no low bridges or anything, because I ain't got my truck sat nav with me today. Talking of truck sat navs, I think TomTom are sending me one of the new TomTom Go experts or professionals, can't remember. I think they're sending me one to do a review on. Woohoo! That'd be good. Green light. Let's go. Oh, for goodness sake, come on! We're off. Quick! Stop. It's a nice Scandula. Cream. Redcorn Limited. Car transporter. That was a lovely quick route out, actually. I'll remember that in future. When the A10 isn't moving very swiftly, I'll come out that way. Because here's the M25, look. See it up there? It's absolutely knacked. Under we go. I'm hoping this should go all the way around in a big loop. There's a truck stop here, isn't there? There is. Been in there once, I think. Yeah, just in there, look, there's a truck stop. Don't ask me what it's called, but if you know, get in the old comments. Hey, on we go. What the hell are you doing? The car in front of me just literally braked near enough to a halt on the M25. What a moron. Shouldn't be on the road. Look, 444444444. Set the camera up just for that. Hope you liked it. We're back! Yes! We're back at the yard. Let's see what chaos awaits. Anyone? Oh my god, there's lorries everywhere. There is actual lorries everywhere. Sneak in there. I'm going to get in, get a weighbridge ticket and get sorted. I'm back in the yard. Just going to get unloaded.
I'm going to remove my jacket.
What are you doing?
And reveal.
Yes!
Yes, baby. Trucker Tim. How are you, boss?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks.
Shut up, you.
Empty! We're emptied. Just got to wait for some empty pallets, 2 stacks of empty pallets to go on there. And then we can go and park this up and get in my lorry. And then we're going to Cambridge. Here's the pallets. Get these bad boys on then. Got one more stack to come. Here we go. Let's park this one up. Oh, just get my card out. And then in my lorry. Hey, I do like this lorry. It drives a lot nicer than mine, and it just generally is a lot nicer lorry. It's nice to get in my lorry with all my bits in and stuff, you know. I've got all my stuff in there, so get the card out, get all my stuff. Oh yeah, look, I mentioned this while I'm on here. I received this Christmas card setting to work. Look, oh, dropped it. Put his address at the top, so I won't show that, but to Trucker Tim from Paul, Fluffy, Paul83 and family at TikTok. Awesome. Thanks for that, Paul. Really appreciate it. I've also got a shout out to do. Somebody on Instagram's asked me for a shout out, so I'm going to do that today. But for now, I've got to squeeze in here. Get my digicard in this truck now. Slide her in. I might put my Christmas card up in my truck. Where should we put that? There we go. Put it up there, look. Yes, thanks, Paul. Do some paperwork. Let's get this fired up. Yes. That's shut. Right, I'm going to do some paperwork, then we'll get on our way to Cambridge and I'll speed you up the road. Let's go! A14 on the A14. Just about to come off the A14 in 1 mile precisely. So we come off the A14 and sort of go round back on ourselves. What's that car doing up on that bridge? It's doing a 3-point turn on the bridge up there. We're coming off. We're coming off now. We've slipped off. I got this, this is the Truckstyle. I don't think I showed you this, did I, this morning? Did I have this with me? I think I did. Can't remember, but if I didn't, this is my Truckstyle air freshener. We're going to get that up. There's a car just down here, hovering about. Don't hover in a blind spot of a truck. Round we go. So now we're going sort of over top of the A14. It's the A14. Just that's it. Now we're coming off. We're going to run parallel with the A14. Let's go. Going right here, and then the job is literally on the right down this road. You have to back in off the road. It's really tight, and the road becomes like the M25 when you try and back in. So yeah, I'll show you where I got to back in, and then I'll just get on with it, I think. Don't think I'll bother trying to film, because if not, I will probably cock it up. Busy! He's flashed me, he's flashed me. Thank you, Mr. Busman. So yeah, down here. It's on the right down here. Just, where are you? Don't miss it, because if not, you will be in trouble. Oh God, it's here then. Go over this side of the road, put hazards on. Just grab you. Got to back all the way down there. So yeah, and then we got to contend with all these cars and things. But yeah, I'll get back down there. I'm in, I did it. No damage. Oh, went quite smoothly actually. Makes a change.
Picking up a load of these reels. Paper reels. Pump trucking them in because there's no room down here to get in the sides. So back doors, pump truck. And just like that, we're loaded. Took about an hour. Let's get this back to the yard. Beet harvester! Woohoo! Big old thing. So it's turning up at the yard now. Back at the yard. Where are you going? Swerving towards the middle. Oh, get these reels off. So put on the weigh bridge, see how much weight we've got on. Start. And a good ride back from Cambridge. Took 43 minutes to be precise. A lovely ride back actually. Right, let's go and see what carnage is occurring here. Right, I'll get in, get weighed in and sorted out. And I'll speak to you in a minute. Bosh! Curtains undone. Before the Karen start, I've took all the straps off before I started filming. Just got to wait for Roger now. I'm done! I'm parked up in the yard. And this morning we was in this one and we finished the day off in mine. While we're in here, between these two lorries, I want to give a massive shout out to Freddie. He messaged me on Instagram asking for a shout out. Said he loves all my Instagrams, my TikToks, all my YouTubes. So I thought I'd give him a shout out. He sent me this lovely picture as well. I'll insert it just here now. Hey, look, he put Trucker Tim and Data Shredders above and below each other, the logos. Thanks for that, Freddie. And thanks for all your support. Really appreciate it. Anyway, let's get in the cab and finish this TikTok. Finish this YouTube. I'm all confused. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm always filming something. I don't know whether I'm filming tubes or talks or what I'm doing. But yeah, let's get back in and finish it off. It's been a long day today. Let's get the Truckstyle air freshener up. My Christmas card. If you want to send me a Christmas card, feel free. And I'll put them all in my cab. You'll be able to spot your Christmas card. Oh, that smells good. Yeah, that does smell good. You'll be able to spot your Christmas card on the YouTubes and TikToks. But yeah, I'm going to put this up here with my son. Yes! Truck style in the sun. There we go. Soon gonna be time to decorate the cab for Christmas as well. Got some big plans, guys, for that. See how I unloaded. I didn't film unloading and doing the curtains up. It was busy, so we couldn't do that. Soz, but you know how it is, don't you? They took them off with a forklift, put them down. I've done my curtains up, done the buckles up, then drove over here. You didn't miss a lot. Nothing really happened, so yeah. So yeah, it's now 3:15 in the afternoon, and I started at 3:15 this morning. So 12 hours. Bish bash bosh. Job done on the last one here. I've got to lock the gate up. I'm going to get my paperwork done now, guys, and go home. And we do it all again tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm out in that skip lorry there, the little Renault, going to Leeds. Turn my hazards off now, look. There we go. Yeah, going to Leeds in that tomorrow. So yeah, that'll be fun. Might TikTok it, might YouTube it, don't know. But yeah, so well, that smells so good. Oh yeah, love it. So yeah, guys, that's it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, guys. If you didn't like it, you can always give it a thumbs down as well, and leave a comment. Let me know what you thought, and any suggestions, ideas, and whatever you like, really. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate all your support on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, it all. I'll speak to you all later, guys.